I don't know if there's ever been a time in all of human existence that someone got the hiccups and they said,
"Hello. There was a hiccup while rolling a patch for our internal systems. Some users who joined the game servers with the bugged version lost their profiles. After investigating, it seems the profiles are safe, but the link from hypixel account, greater than profiles is broken. In other words, the profiles didn't wipe, but the game lost which profiles the player owns. We are working on a fix for affected users. We have a backup of the accounts and will be restoring everything back like it was. The fix may take up to 24 hours. Sorry for the inconvenience."